Hey, what's going on, guys? So today I just wanted to bring you a real quick an unboxing of the RX 6900 XT graphics card. This is the MSI Gaming Trio card. This is actually a gift from my wife, believe it or not. Um, it's not something that I personally bought for the channel or, whatever I do here. But it was a very nice thought, and you know really I wanted to try this new approach to making videos to see just how it goes and how easy, if at all, it is making videos in 8K resolution. And if you guys find this attractive, I would appreciate some feedback. If it's just not really your thing, or maybe it's causing you issues with the way YouTube works, then just let me know so that I just revert back to or stick to 4K resolution. That'll be just fine with me. But yeah, whatever works for you guys. Just trying to bring you some eye candy here. But anyway, very excited about this card. Can't wait to try it. I have had one of these before, but it wasn't mine. I had to return it to the rightful owner. But now this one here gets to stay home. So yeah, let's get this thing out of the box and see how it looks in person. I had to film this actually outside in the backyard because the lighting is better for 8K resolution. I noticed that the lighting in here in the room where I do the my recordings is just not, it doesn't do it justice, let me put it like that. So the real daylight is what brings out that beauty of 8K. So that's why I had to do this outside. But yeah, anyway, here's the card. You can see that it's the shroud, the plastic shroud there is covered by some protective plastic. So we have to get rid of this here. And yeah, I'm surprised that MSI didn't put those typical, how they typically put those plastic layers over the fans so that the fans are not spinning or whatnot. Yeah, no, they didn't do that this time. Let's just, wrap this plastic around the shroud, which is okay, I guess. I mean, it arrived in one piece, so yeah. But yeah, anyway, here's the card. And I like the aesthetics look of it. Very simplistic. Of course it's got RGB, but it doesn't have all the RGB on the back plate or anything like that. It's just yeah. And of course you get 3 8-pin connectors for this graphics card. Massive heatsink on it, which should help with keeping it running cool. I appreciate that. It's also very tall, so you got to keep that in mind if you have a the hoses from your radiator. If you have them running over the card, it may obstruct the in between the window or whatnot, depending how wide your case is. But I didn't have any problems with the Corsair D4000. So yeah, it fit right in there. As far as lengthwise as well, I didn't have any issues. It's perfectly fine. But I did notice, see right there where the fans connect to the PCB, that area there hits the case. Not to cause any issues or anything, but it kind of just fits flushed there. If you look to the right there, between the right in front of the radiator and that area there, that where the power supply cable for the motherboard comes out, that metal area there, it's coming in contact with the card, but it's not causing any issues. So if it's just fine as far as I can tell. But yeah, that bracket, I had to install it. It's just, this thing is heavy. I don't really like those brackets, but in this case I just had to slap it in there because yeah, it is that heavy. But yeah, anyway, that's all I got for now, guys. I just wanted to bring you this quick unboxing. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit thumbs up, subscribe. I got more content coming up, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye.